Hello, today's tutorial is going to be on how to set up a printer as your default printer. You may just be looking to either add a new printer or you already have connected to a printer on the network and you're just trying to get that printer as your default printer. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up the Run command from the Start menu. If you right click on the Start menu and select Run, a box will pop up. In the box, we're just going to type in Control Space Printers. Once the printer control panel loads, it'll give you a list of all the printers that your computer is connected to. As you can see here, we have the OneNote printer that's automatically installed, and it currently is our default printer with the green check mark. To change another one of the printers as your default printer, all you'll have to do is just right click on that printer, scroll down to Set as Default Printer. We're going to select this. And as you can see, the green check mark moved from the OneNote printer over to our new default printer. After this, you are all set, and that printer should automatically be your default printer from any application that you're printing from. And that concludes this tutorial on how to set a default printer on your computer. Thanks.